Whether water is leaking from the base of your toilet, you're remodeling, or bought a new toilet, the Korky Wax-Free Seal is the best option for a worry-free, easy installation. The antimicrobial rubber is cleaner and more user-friendly than old wax technology. Removable foam rings make it adjustable for any flange height and floor type to fit your bathroom. Installation is easy. Not only will the seal hold up the bolts, but you can reposition the toilet until it is just right. In less than 5 minutes, you can set your toilet. The Korky Wax-Free Seal, the easiest, best seal for your toilet.
The perfect seal is the perfect solution for a mess-free and hassle-free toilet installation. Replacing a traditional wax ring is a messy job. The perfect seal has everything you need for a simple, mess-free toilet installation. The perfect seal works with all toilet installations and fits any drain size and all floor heights with the included adapter. Use the adapter if flange is below the floor and no adapter if flange is flush or above the floor. Perfect Seal also stabilizes toilet bolts, making installation a one-person job. Unlike messy wax rings, Perfect Seal allows the toilet to be repositioned as needed while maintaining a tight seal when common toilet and floor movement occurs. Specially designed rubber gaskets with encapsulated wax create a seal that is 3 times stronger than a regular wax ring. The gasket grabs the toilet while the wax is transferred down the walls of the drain pipe, creating a larger sealing surface. Experience this innovative product and install the Perfect Seal today and experience the Perfect Seal, the first time, every time.
Wax toilet seals are a thing of the past. Today's clients demand high-quality, long-lasting products. Fernco's wax-free toilet seal is simple to install, never needs to be replaced, and was specially designed to solve the problems common with wax seals. Wax seals are vulnerable to floor movement and rot, toilet base loosening, and can melt when used with modern conveniences like radiant floor heating. Wax seals also perform poorly when used with a recessed floor flange. Fernco's wax-free seals don't suffer from these shortcomings. Installation is quick and easy. Just clean and dry the toilet horn, then peel, stick, and install. You can even feel the seal with Fernco. As you lower the toilet onto the flange, the wax-free seal's unique sealing ribs compress to seal against the inside walls of the drain pipe. You can feel the seal as the ribs compress, giving you a higher level of confidence in your installation. Fernco's wax-free seals use a specially formulated adhesive that bonds so firmly you can remove and reseat an installed toilet without fear of the seal loosening or detaching. Fernco's wax-free seals accommodate floors raised above the toilet flange, eliminating the need for flange risers or stacked wax rings. The seals center themselves and the toilet to the drain, adhering tightly to maintain a gas-tight seal even when minor movement occurs, keeping clients safe from damaging toxic chemicals and dangerous sewer gases. Toilets are subject to constant movement, weight, and pressure. Fernco's wax-free seals move with the toilet while maintaining a constant bond that's leak-free. While common wax seals are limited both in size and durability, Fernco's wax-free seals come in 3 convenient sizes. They're ideal for any size wall carrier or floor mount. Fernco even offers a wax-free seal for urinals for a long-lasting solution to chronic leaks. Fernco wax-free seals are made of flexible PVC that's resistant to chemicals, fungus growth, sewer gases, and common sources of corrosion like leaks and rot. Don't let a wax toilet seal be the weak link in the chain and lead to future damage. Fernco's wax-free seals are a must-have for every contractor's toolbox. Be ready to accommodate any job with a product that's a snap to install, reliable, and long-lasting. And it's made by Fernco.